Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to backtest on TradingView for free. If you've been wanting to sharpen your trading strategies without putting your money on the line, then learning to backtest is a skill that can really make a difference. Today I'll guide you through a straightforward way to manually backtest using the bar replay feature on TradingView. This tool is particularly handy, even on the free basic plan. Let's get started. First, for those using the free version of TradingView, keep in mind that there are some limitations. Specifically, you can only replay daily, weekly, or monthly charts. Intraday charts are off limits unless you upgrade to a paid version. Don't worry though, daily and longer-term charts still offer plenty of opportunities for in-depth strategy testing. Now, to start backtesting, look for the bar replay icon on the chart toolbar. It resembles a play button you'd find in a media player. Clicking on this icon activates the bar replay feature, an essential step for manually backtesting your strategies. Next, you'll need to decide where you want your replay to begin. You'll do this by choosing a start date. TradingView provides a convenient jump tool that lets you skip back in time to any date you choose. This feature allows you to test your strategies over different market conditions, which is incredibly useful. Whether you want to see how your strategy would have fared during a bull market 6 months ago or during a bear market last year, the choice is yours. Once you've selected your start date, you'll have 3 main controls: play, forward, and rewind. These tools let you move through the chart candle by candle at your own pace, giving you a detailed view of how your trades would have unfolded. The play button advances the chart automatically through each candle, simulating real-time movements. The forward and rewind buttons allow you to step through one candle at a time, so you can focus on each development moment by moment. As you work through this process, take the time to jot down notes on any significant price movements or patterns that stand out. This step is about analyzing what works and what doesn't, so paying close attention to these details is key. There's a wealth of knowledge to be gained by observing these historical price actions, which can provide valuable insights for future trading decisions. And there you have it, a simple method to manually backtest using TradingView's bar replay feature on the free plan. This approach not only helps refine your strategy, but also builds confidence and intuition in your trading decisions, making you a more informed trader. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to backtest on TradingView for free. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.